Tomo kia te tatau o te whare, ko au ko Ngāti Whātua e.
Ko te tūmanako, ka kuhu mai ki roto I tēnei whakāturanga, ka kite I ngā taonga, ka kite I ngā kōrero, ka kite I ngā whakaaro, ka rongo, te ao whānui, a ia tātou I a Ngāti Whātua. It's a way of highlighting a resurgence for Ngāti Whātua. A resurgence from having a plethora of taonga, for that to be taken away in the many different facets of time, they're starting to come back. And this is a space where we can show that to the rest of the world. That's where Ngāti Whātua has a great opportunity to grow, and I think it's a great opportunity for Tāmaki Paenga Hira to grow alongside.
So there are so many stories embedded in these objects, and for me it was just being around them and being able to be up close and touch them, and being part of sharing those stories with others was super meaningful. But it's just such a significant part of like Ngāti Whātua, myth, culture, history. I think like everyone that's been involved in this exhibition, we see this as a stepping stone. You know, there's always more stories to tell.